Assalamu alaikum students, my name is Sana Muzaffar and I'm teacher of class nursery. I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Are you enjoying your holidays? आपको मज़ा आ रहा है घर में? माँ बाबा को तंग तो नहीं ज़्यादा आप लोग कर रहे हैं? Okay, good. Today we are going to learn a new letter, that is letter F. That is letter F. You can see on the board we have two F here, capital F and small f. This is also uppercase letter and this is lowercase letter. You can see here, this is F, this is F and this is small f, small f. Tell me, what is the sound of F? Can you guess this? Like this something, na? So you have to do the action with me. Place your hands here like this and then you have to squeeze the hands inwards. It has to come between the lips. The sound of very nice. Do it again with me. Place your hands here, everyone. Very nice. Very good. So this is the sound of F. F. F की sound क्या है? जब आपसे कोई भी पूछेगा तो what you have to say? Very good. So now come to the vocabulary of F. What is the vocabulary of F? Can you guess? F. Fish. Fish start from the sound of F. So fish is also one of the vocabulary. Then what else? Fish and fan. Can you see the fan in your room where you are sitting? Look upwards. You will see a fan in the room. So fan is also the vocabulary of F because it starts from the F sound. Now we are going to learn how to write F. How to write F. So here we have 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and I am going to write here capital F. Standing line and then sleeping line and another sleeping line. This is capital F. This is capital F. So write again. First make a standing line, then sleeping line on the line and another sleeping line on the middle line. This is F. Now we are going to write small f. Here we have 2 dots again, but we will start from here. Make a curve, 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 touch the dot. Again make a curve and then come down straight. And then we are going to place a sleeping line in between this. Do it again. Start from here, make a curve, 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 touch this dot. Then make a standing line. And here we are going to place a sleeping line on this line. This is small f, capital F, small f. So it's time for the activity of letter F. As you can see on the board, we have written here letter F, capital and the small one. And what we are going to do on this train, can you see the engine of train? And then we have different parts of train. So what we have to do? Arrange the letters on it. We are going to arrange some letters on it. You can see a box in my hand and I have some letters in this from A to F, from A to F, and we will see what will come on the first box. Can you guess what will come here? Letter E? No, the first letter of ABC will come here. So can you read with me? A, B. So A, yes, A will come first. I have to search in the box and is this A? No. Let me search, let me search. This is A. Yes, this is A and I am going to paste it on the first box. Letter A. The string will start with the letter A, with the letter A. So can you guess what will come next? A, B. Yes, B will come here. So let me search the B from this. B, B, B. Is this B? No, this is not B if I recall. B is this. Yes, I found the B. This is letter B. So I am going to place it after A. A, B. This is letter B. Okay, read with me. A, B. Then here will come D, F. No. Read again. A, B, C. Here comes the C. And I found the C. Yes, I found the C. I'm going to place it here. C. A, B, C. So let me guess what will come next. I have some letters in my hand, so let me guess what will come. Okay, read again. A, B, C, D. What will come here? Letter D. Letter D will come here, and yes, on this part I'm pasting letter D. But in the last box we have to paste two letters. Can you guess what will be that? Start from here. A, B, C, D. Now I have two letters in my box only, this and this. So let me see what will come first, E or F. You can see E and also an F in my hand. So read again, A, B, C, D, E. Here comes the sound of E. So I am going to paste the E first. Then on this box I am going to also paste the last word of this train, A, B, C, D, E, F. I am going to paste F also on this box. So they are sharing the box. Start from here, A, B, C, D, E and F. Now our activity is complete. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.